And this is my next lawnmower find here. I got a Toro Recycler 22-inch with the 7.25 190cc Briggs & Stratton engine. This is model 20332 Personal Pace, and it's a 2016 model. I bought this from my home. They were no longer using this. It had been sitting in the garage since late 2017. It's really filthy with Bermuda grass. Very small yard, and they had gotten a lawn service. Kind of an overkill lawnmower for the yard they had. It's just very dirty, almost like grease on it. But this air filter is going to be interesting to look at. It does not run. Could not get it to start. So hopefully it's just a gas fuel related issue with this. But it looks really nice. It'll clean up nice. No side chute with it. You can look at these wheels and tell it's in really nice condition. Rear wheels, almost like it'd been overfilled with oil. We're going to check the oil in this. Kind of greasy looking. Take a look at the engine here. We're kind of looking at this at the same time. It's not too bad, just kind of packed with a lot of grass clippings. Kind of stuck on the frame here. Muffler cage is not bent. Ready start engine. And looks really good underneath. Gosh, you can still see the numbers on the blade. Look at that. The atomic blade on here. I'll give her a closer look at the blade, make sure it's not dinged up. It looks good under here. Yeah, this would be like new, cleaned up. No grass clippings stuck to it. This bar here is not banged up. Very nice. Well, let me show you more about this Toro Personal Pace, and we're going to attempt to give this a start. And we're going to check this air filter here with all these grass clippings here, Bermuda grass. Wouldn't be surprised this air filter's clogged. Yeah, I can't see any daylight, so we're going to clean this out, put this back in, clean this housing out before we even attempt to start this. And that looks much better. You can actually see some daylight in this air filter now. Looked like it was almost totally clogged. So we're just going to reuse this. And let's check the oil in this. It's got dirt everywhere. Clean some of this out. It looks like it's a little bit overfilled. So we're going to clean this dipstick out before we put this back in. A little bit overfilled with oil. And here's the back of this Toro. Looks really good. Looks like they were bagging the majority of the time. So that flap is open. And this is the model and serial number, model 20332. And looks like it's a 316 2016 model Toro. Definitely used a bag on this. You can see the fine particles of Bermuda grass that will really clog up an air filter. And the bag looks like it's in decent shape. And what's nice about the Personal Pace model, they had this in the mode to bag grass with this knob down. You can just flip it up and now you're in mulch mode. Really like that about the Personal Pace. You can just leave the bag on the lawnmower. And these wheels all look good on here, and these height adjustments were not frozen. I was able to raise the wheels. I had it really low for Bermuda grass. Front ones look great. So you can really tell this has been a very low usage Toro Personal Pace. Like getting these. Rear wheel looks excellent, and this one has a wash port. Lots of debris stuck to this engine. Did not get a side chute with this. Always look here for rust. Don't see any. Should clean up very nice. And your Personal Pace, how this works. Just push this handle down for how fast you would like it to go. Very nice self-propel feature on the Toro recycler lawnmowers. Personal Pace. And this is something I hadn't got on other Toros that I've gotten Personal Pace. Most of them have a bolt and a nut there that you can loosen to adjust your Personal Pace cable tension. Rear wheel drive. This actually has a knob that you can loosen and adjust that cable and tighten back up. Have not seen that on any of the Toros that I've gotten. So let's check the gas in here. Could not get this to start at their house. It's got gas in it. I'm sure it is old. So let's just try this as is. It certainly wouldn't start yesterday. Let's try it today. Here we go. It's got compression. There we go. Trying. That air filter was clogged, probably why it wouldn't start. Oh, that didn't sound good, does it? Barely running. Oh, barely running. Up a little bit. See the choke sticking on it. It certainly has not reached the RPMs. Try the Personal Pace. That is not working. Propell's not working on it. Not good. let this run a little bit and see if it'll get any better. It's running much better. This self-propelled is not working. Raise the rear up, the wheels turning. The belt's okay. Something with this cable I've got to work on. All in all, a very nice mower. I'm going to stop it and restart it. Sounding much better. Let me cut it off. And let's cut this off. And see if it'll start back up. Like it should now. No self-propelled. Looks like a very nice Toro. I'm really surprised the self-propelled's not working on it. Got to take a look at this cable and where it runs. But all in all, a very nice Toro. We're going to clean this up and we'll do a follow-up video here on this latest Toro Recycler 22-inch personal pace.